Hey everyone, this is IlluMiNaughty, and today's lecture is going to be on installing the B framework. So basically, to get started, what we're going to first do is open up a web browser, and we're going to go to the web address bproject.com, and once there, we're going to click on the top right where it says Download Now. That'll get us to GitHub, and we'll click on Clone or Download, copy the GitHub link. Once we have that copied, let's go into our terminal, and we're going to cd into our OPT folder, and from there we're going to put git clone and paste the web address that we copied over. Press enter. And once there, we're going to change directory into B. We're going to ls, and we're going to click the execute the install file. And we're going to click on yes. Now this may take some time, so just let it run. Now I have previously installed the drivers and or the library files that are required before. I just deleted the installation so that I can create this video on how to install B onto your Kali machine. So we'll click on yes. And the music's courtesy from Magic Music and their trap music that they preview on their YouTube channel. So I'm just going to let the video ride while the installation completes. So yeah, the whole installation process can actually take up to 10 minutes, or sometimes as quickly as that. So now that that is basically done, we can go ahead and execute beef by typing the period / in the word beef, and give it a few moments for it to load up. And okay, so as you can see, you will need to change the default password. So what we can do is just type in nano, and then type in config. I believe that's where it is. Yes, the config YAML, and we're gonna go to the username and password. And for the password, we're just gonna put in password 1, and then we can press Control X to exit and click save, or Y for save, and then yes. Now we can execute the B framework. And we'll just waiting here for the framework to finish loading. And basically, now that it's up and running, you can, of course, to stop it, press Control C on your keyboard. Here's just some useful information. Here's the loopback address, as well as the loopback hoop, and the user interface URL on the loopback addresses. Then you also have them running on the network address on the network adapter card. And here's the hook URL to hook into a web browser. Basically, you'll put this into a script within your web page. And then you have the UI, or the user interface URL, which is the graphical user interface. We'll right click and just click on Open Link. And here we at the Beef menu, we'll log in with the username Beef and the password, in our case, password 1. And you can see we're logged into now the user interface for Beef. So that concludes this small lecture on installing Beef and getting it to run. If you look at some of my other videos, or the video into the Beef introduction, that it shows a small example of redirecting a client's web browser. Outside of that, remember, this is only all for educational purposes, and it's not to be used, it's condoned to be used on any public networks other than your own. Make sure you have permissions to penetrate other networks. If not, then you can definitely get in trouble. Click the video like button if you like the video, and if you don't like the video, still click the like button and help me get some subscribers. Thanks, and enjoy your evening. Bye-bye.